is the story of Baji Raut, a boy who was too young to fight but brave enough to become a martyr in 12 years of age. He is recognized by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India as the youngest martyr in the history of India's freedom struggle. Let me talk about his story. Baji Raut was born on October 5, 1926 in the village of Neelakantapur, Odisha in a poor family. He lost his father at a young age. So, he helped his mother by becoming a boat boy carrying people across the Brahmani river during India's freedom struggle in Dhenkanal district of Odisha. The Vanar Sena was established by local leaders like Vaishnav Charan Patnaik as a part of the Praja Mandal movement against the oppressive rule of local kings and the British. Baji Raut joined the movement as a volunteer where he and the other kids guarded the river guards to watch the British troop movements, acted as messengers for revolutionaries, and kept track of local king's forces and British police. On the night of October 10, 1938, the British soldiers and local police arrived at the Neelakantapur Ghat. Baji Raut was on duty and had to ferry them across the river. He refused bravely, saying, "This boat belongs to Praja Mandal. I will not ferry the enemies of the people." In anger, a soldier struck Baji's head with a heavy gun butt, fracturing his skull. Despite the injury, Baji jumped ashore and shouted to warn his fellow villagers. The British then opened a fire and killed him. After the sacrifice of Baji Raut in 1938, the news of his bravery spread rapidly across Dhenkanal. When his body reached Cuttack, thousands of people gathered for the funeral procession filled with grief, anger, and patriotic slogans like Inquilab Zindabad. The poet Sachi Rautre immortalized him in the poem Baji Raut, and his sacrifice inspired many to join the freedom struggle. The death of a 12-year-old boy caused the whole country to rise, feel, and act for a greater cause. Jai Hind!